Installation of Arbiton Acoustic flooring with integrated soundproofing of 21 decibels. For proper installation, a vapor barrier film and metallized tape are required. Helpful tools include measuring tape, hammer, square, knife, pencil. The length of the Woodric panels is 122 centimeters. Preparing the room for installation. The surface must be cleaned. Tolerance of unevenness up to 1 millimeter. Larger unevenness must be leveled. We lay out the vapor barrier film, connecting the edges with metallized tape. The instructions contain information on the need to maintain expansion gaps. The last attached elements should not be shorter than the width of the panel, in this case 22.9 centimeters. You can cut the panels with a knife and a square. It is enough to make a notch and then break them. Remember the expansion gap. You can make the expansion wedges from panel sections. We install the panels in a brick or ladder pattern. The distances of the short sides must be at least equal to or greater than the width of the panel. That is 22.9 centimeters. You first insert the 2G lock with the short side to then snap in the long side. Moving on, panel by panel, boom. We connect the short side, then the long side. Unattended expansion gap. Two options. You can disassemble the floor up to this point to cut the panel, or you can use a multi-tool.